Hey guys, IDEOLI's on the road again, and we're glad you could join us.
Take a wild guess where we're at, just south of the border here in historic Mexico.
George and Chris are thrilled to have established a manufacturing footprint in the heart of Mexico, servicing the expansion plans of its national account clients.
Mexico is a strategic location for IDEOLI and its clients because of its close proximity to the United States, advanced manufacturing capabilities, and a design flair second to none.
We have established a strong manufacturing footprint here in Mexico, along with a powerful network of subcontractors.
We work with best-in-class subcontractors. Alvaro is based in Guadalajara and is a specialist in manufacturing components for IDEOLI's quality products.
Mexico is a country that can compete worldwide. Our quality is excellent. IDEOLI is a competitive company, a visionary company. They have the capabilities to achieve any contract.
We manufacture everything from furniture for large restaurant chains, fixturing for hotels, decorative lighting for large international retail brands.
As our clients continue to grow in North and South America, IDEOLI needs to be in Mexico to support their expansion goals.
IDEOLI has helped make the world a smaller place for its clients by understanding key international markets and establishing a business presence that matters.